One down.
Oh yeah, he's watching windows up top. Don't stick your head through there, he's looking at it.
I never do. I literally, I just wait for them to come to right there and then I shoot them. Oh man, that just hurt. I was coming down the hall so fast I grabbed the post to kind of spin myself in.
I got a key for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yo, we have green guys in their spawn, bro. Look at this.
I know. They went far.
Yo, they went all the way. They went all the way. Yo, they're like, we're gonna go with you. I'm like, all right, I'm pushing left.
I mean, I don't really bother going further. Like, there's no point.
Hey, Drew. I found you. Oh shit, we lost that motherfucker. Yeah.
Ah. Damn.
Hit.
Oh. Whoa! That's us. Yes, that's us. That's us on the outside, okay. Oh boy!
Are they in the hallway?
What's up, bro?
Jesus.
This is awesome.
Yep. Jeez.
Alright, yeah. There's another door down there. You got me, dude.
Sorry about the stomach.
Right there.
Oh! Whoa! Wow. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah, that kid's a little bit unhappy. Just watch it with Saloon across from us. Like when you go from this cover to the next, you gotta move quick.
Yeah. You go first. I went first last time. Hit. Fucking hell, bro. I didn't even see him.
Probably came from across. You need to start doing some work to that thing.
Huh?
You need to upgrade that thing.
Yeah, dude, I got this like pre-owned on Hop Up. It's a piece of shit.
I'm gonna push up.
It's so ass. The hop and the accuracy are really good. It's just the motor is really horrible. But I have a motor to put in.
Alright. I'm gonna start pushing up to the church.
Hey, I'm fucking them up. The ones on the other side. Here.
Oh! Man!
Dead man, dead man, dead man.
Ow! Oh! Oh, God! Ah! Oh! Ow! I know.
They're feeling airsofty over there.
Well, there's nobody inside.
They're all outside.
Zach, just watch it. Someone can poke out the window. Yep. One on the other side of the wall. Opposite wall. Where'd he go?
Hell is now neutral. Hell is now neutral.
Yep, there's one. Watch somebody across the window. Got him.
When I hit you to the wall? Oh, that's a cool ass story. Ooh.
Was that supposed to accomplish something? Ah, you finally got the drop on me. Oh, shit. Oh, nice of you to join me.
Yo, I'm gonna try to make it up the backside. I'm definitely gonna go try. Orange or green?
She's green. At this point, I think I would have shot him if he wasn't.
Wait, but I can't go through the back, right? On the top floor.
I don't really know.
No, we can't. 50-50 on the top floor. Fuck, I gotta go around.
Well, there's a ramp over there.
You still here?
I got killed a few times.
Hi. Anthony's in jail.
Corner?
Yeah, he's like right in the door.
I got him.
Nice.
Ah.
Yeah, I was supposed to.
Oh, God. Right in the belly button. Ow. Ow. Oh. What was that? That one's going a bit too hog wild on the trigger. Trying a lot. Oh, Jesus! Man, that sounded like full. That felt like full auto. Oh. Ah, fuck! Ah!
That worked.
Incoming! Ah! Ah!
The guy with the shotgun was looking
Yeah,
at me
like
like I was crazy.
you guys are looking at it.
He's in the door.
I know!
kept.
Hold that and make sure they don't come back.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
One more time.
Were you right in there? Those angles, man.
Not yet.
Once I got in there, I was just fucking spraying. I still love when you're at the
I noticed. If it was you in the last few minutes, you lit up my thigh.
Sorry.
I caught you lacking.
You did. Fuck you for sitting in the corner with a pistol. That's pussy shit, though.
Hey, dude. I got you all with that grenade. I got everybody with that grenade kill in the hallway.
That was actually a lot of fun.
That was a good game.
That was a good fucking game. That was a good game. That was like back and forth.
I fucking tried that hard at UBG.
Oh man.
Sorry, dude. I didn't mean to shoot. I fired twice. One hit you, and then the other one hit you in the neck after you.
Yeah, you got me in the knuckle and the neck. I'm like,
I knew if I said anything,
Nobody wants you.
oh, that was a bad one. Oh boy! Stuck right here. Boy. Mike, to your left.
Tu voltei ou te matei? Eu falei, meu jovem, ninguém aqui. Eu vou passar aqui, você não acertou, não.
That can't be a good sign.
That's right.
Oh, my bad, dude.
You just shoot someone in the head. Uh-oh. Right side!
Oh, he's got 3 of them.
Way right.
This is my secret to usually getting them. Is to come across teepees and then poke out.
That's coming over here.
Well, because August is in front of us. They're shooting at August. I guess that's spool.
Yep.
Oh boy! Oh, there he is. In the shack. Shit. probably still over there. There he is. I was wondering where you went. Got him. Oh, I'm aware. Oh no, he poked his head up and didn't realize. All right, well, someone else ran over too.
What was that?
Someone else ran over too.
Okay.
Someone in tan ran up this way. That's when he started shooting at him. So, as far as I can tell, he's behind that couple windows again. He just poked up and I think I probably just shot right past him. He's still back there. There he is. Whoop. Ah, fuck. Someone's standing there at the street. I think he's out. Oh, someone coming over. Now it's turned into...
Oh boy.
Shit. Fuck! Oh, sorry.